Modules are where OneC script code lives. The modules are responsible for storing the functions and procedures that will define how the system behaves, how data is processed, and how users interact with the forms in the application. Every piece of logic in OneC configuration is found inside a module. Without modules, metadata objects will only store data, but modules allow us to add behavior, automation, and chain business processes to our configuration. Modules exist inside many configuration objects. For example, catalogs, documents, forms, report, and comment modules all contain their own modules. Each module has a specific purpose and context. Common modules are located in a dedicated branch of the metadata tree. Common modules are primarily designed to keep common configuration algorithms accessible from other modules. Each object has its individual module. This is called the object module. These modules allow the declaration of variables, procedures, and functions that are accessible using OneC script outside the object and supplement the object context. Each application object has a manager module intended for managing this object as a configuration object. The manager allows you to create objects and work with their forms and templates. The manager module extends the manager functionality by introducing OneC script procedures and functions to the user to add, change, or delete items through code. Forms have their own module. These modules allow the declaration of variables, procedures, and functions that are accessible through OneC script outside the object. Modules can work in different execution contexts: client, server, or both. The context determines where the code runs and what data types are available. This is especially important for form modules and common modules. As a general rule, use object modules for business logic, use form modules for user interface behavior, and use common modules for shared or reusable code.